Hi everyone, it's Phil here, and I'm here to answer your exercise, nutrition, mindset, and weight loss questions in under 3 minutes. So if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. But before you do, let's check out today's question right now. So this is a really good question, because most people turn to cardio when they want to lose weight. However, if you want to lose weight and to keep it off for the rest of your life, along with looking the best that you possibly can, then without a doubt, you must implement strength training into your weekly exercise routine. Now, there are a number of reasons for this. The first and most important reason is that strength training helps you preserve as much muscle as you can while you are losing weight, or ideally, it may even help you gain muscle. This is extremely important when trying to lose weight, because the more muscle you have, the faster your metabolism. And the faster your metabolism, the more calories that you burn off. And the more calories that you burn off, the easier it is to lose weight, and most of all, the easier it is to keep off your lost weight. This in itself is why you should do strength training if your goal is to lose weight. However, there are obviously more reasons, with the second reason being that strength training has an incredible afterburn effect, where you will continue burning off calories at an elevated rate for 12 to 72 hours after your strength training workouts, which again helps you to create the calorie deficit that you require to lose weight. And the third reason is that by building and shaping your muscles through strength training exercises, when you lose body fat, you will look leaner and more defined, which not only improves your appearance, it makes your results far more noticeable. You will look lean, fit and healthy, not thin, gaunt and underfed like some people do when they lose weight by following fad diets without exercising. So for these 3 reasons alone, without talking about all the other incredible benefits that you receive from strength training, if your goal is to lose weight, you should definitely incorporate strength training into your weekly exercise routine. So there you have it. That is my answer for today's question. I really hope that you found it helpful, and if you did, please like the video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. And last but not least, if you want to take out all of the guesswork and have exercise programs, meal plans and recipes to follow, make sure you come to philhartson.com and you will find everything you need to achieve your health and fitness goals. So thank you for watching and see you soon.